Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here. Happy Monday, April 13th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So when we were looking at the NASDAQ this morning as we came in at 9:30, right here's the 9:30 candle. What I mentioned was the gap is to the upside right here. And so we were looking for, after the first 10 minutes, if it started heading towards the gap, we were looking for an opportunity to come fill that gap. Okay, that's a high probability trade once it gets going back in that direction. So you can see here the 9:45 candle on that 5-minute chart started bullish. Then we went into these smaller time frames and started looking for opportunities there. So if I go back here now on the NASDAQ on the 1-minute chart, again, just to show you, this is the 9:45. Me personally, I don't trade from 9:30 to 9:40. I kind of let the markets digest, especially, after a weekend. But then you can see here at 9:45, we had a nice TRP cross. We had a HADS and a Laguerre all firing off. So here at this flat bottom was an opportunity to start looking, waited for the retracement, and then we had a nice trade here to the long side. So it was patience, looking for our setups pre-market on what we were looking for, knowing there's a high probability gap fill here as well. Just an incredible opportunity. So again, come visit me tomorrow, folks, in the WealthCharts live training room. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We'll start early at 8 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so come in here 8 a.m. Eastern in the WealthCharts live trading room. And how do you access that within WealthCharts? Click on the main menu, education, WealthChart events, put that on your screen. And then from there, you'll go into Tuesday and you'll see 8 a.m. Eastern live trading and training with Dr. Keith Wade. So hope to see you there. And lastly, folks, don't forget to register for the Wealth 365 event coming up next week. Again, April 20 to 25th. Best in the world as far as the summit for learning, folks. You're going to have so many different presenters, so much different activity. Is going to be a fantastic week. So don't forget to join at www.wealth365.com/join Keith. I'll be presenting 3 times next week, maybe more. But again, look forward to seeing everybody there. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.